Hey Google, turn on the lamp.
Okay, turning the studio lamp on.
What's up folks, this is Malik for Swift Numbers. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to set up a simple home automation system using Google Home Mini Assistant and Tp-link Smart Wi-Fi plug. So this is the Tp-link Smart Wi-Fi plug HS100 and the Google Home Mini. So both should integrate together to turn on and off the lamp by using my voice command. So let's check out on how to do the setup. First off, we will set up the Tp-link Smart Wi-Fi plug. For that, you need to plug in the Smart Wi-Fi plug onto a power and do the setup. Before that, you need to download the Casa app that comes along with this Tp-link. So this will integrate the device with our home Wi-Fi network. Let's check out on how to do that. Let's get started by installing the Casa Smart app onto your mobile device. Open the device, application. I will log in using my account which I have already created. And I've created and I've logged into my account. So now let's add the Smart Wi-Fi plug. So make sure you see the orange solid light on the device. Click to add the device on the top right hand corner. You can see the plus sign and click on the add device. Select Smart Plug HS100 as your device. Okay, I've already plugged in onto the power outlet and it's in a solid orange color. I'll click next and it shows us about 15 seconds the Wi-Fi light should start blinking orange and green and red. I'm sure you can see the color is blinking green and orange. So I will just click next. I will enable the location. This might take a few minutes to establish the connection between the Wi-Fi and the smart plug to the device. And I will be selecting my device and entering the PIN number. Right. So now I've keyed in my Wi-Fi password. It should connect to my home network now. This process will take about a few minutes, so you have to wait patiently. Okay, now let's name the device. So I'll be naming the device as Studio Lamp. Okay, we are done. You have configured your smart plug and it's ready to use in your device list. So Studio Lamp plug is ready. Now we will link up the TP-link to Google Home Mini device. How do I do it? Download the Home application from Google App Store, and I've already pre-installed my office speaker, which is the Google Mini, and I'll be adding this TP-link plug into my so-called palace, which is the room name that I've set up initially. So I'll be adding the TP-link to my palace. So I'll be setting up the device. So you can see here there's two options, new devices and works with Google. So TP-link is one device that can work with Google Home Mini. So I'll select the second option and I have to search the TP-link account. So you can see here TP-link Casa. So I will select this and it will prompt for me to authenticate. So it should allow Google to control the TP-link device. So I will key in my email address and I shall authorize Google to control my TP-link. Linking your TP-link Casa account, and here it comes to a page, add smart home devices, select device and add to a room. So the Studio Lamp has been identified. Now I have to assign it to my room. So I will select on add to room. So my existing room is office. I will select as office. Click next. And device has been moved. Done. So now when I send a voice command to the Google Home Mini, it should turn on the lamp. Let's try it out. Hey Google, turn on the lamp.
Sure, turning on the studio lamp.
There you go.